everyone, my name is Nicole Scott. This is my week 1 discussion for our icebreaker video. So where I work, I currently work from home full-time for a company called Accolade. I'm a women's health nurse and I follow women throughout their pregnancy, providing them with education, helping them with any pregnancy questions that they might have, really just checking in and making sure that all is well with them. I also help with benefit and insurance side of things. Not too much claims wise, but I have done that before, helping out with that, just making sure everything's being processed correctly, but really just letting them know what their benefits are, what their coverage is, prenatal visits, ultrasounds, NIPT testing, delivery, just getting that information for them. This job has definitely provided me with a lot of the insurance side of healthcare. Only working in the hospital prior, I didn't see that. So going into becoming a nurse practitioner, I'm glad that I have this experience with this job, like I said, to have that insurance side of the healthcare world. So my working experience, I graduated nursing school in 2016, worked in postpartum for 1 year, and then labor and delivery from 2017 to currently. I'm still on a per diem basis with the hospital I work at, so sometimes I will still go in and pick up shifts here and there, but mostly, like I said, just that full-time work from home position. But my entire background has been in women's health, which is why I'm on this track now. So I was born in Los Angeles, California, grew up in Santa Clarita, California, right by Six Flags Magic Mountain, if anyone's familiar with that. I moved to Las Vegas for nursing school in 2015 and went to Touro University. It's a private school just outside of Las Vegas in Henderson, Nevada, and then moved to Phoenix, where I am currently in 2017 for my husband's work. In my free time, when I do have that, I love to cook and watch TV and movies. Something about my family. So my family's mainly Italian. I grew up going to my grandma's house every Sunday for traditional Italian dinners. So that is one thing I really do love to keep going out here with my parents and then hopefully one day my own children. One thing that people might not know. So I've been to several countries in Europe, with Paris being definitely my favorite city. Like I've said previously, I chose women's health as my concentration because that is really the only thing I liked in nursing school, and my entire background has been women's health completely. I'm really looking forward to graduation, being able to work as a women's health NP, continuing to provide care and education for women throughout their pregnancies, along with women in general, and throughout all stages of a woman's life. So I'm really looking forward to this course and getting to know everyone. Thank you so much.